Okay, we're leaving. We're done with the VA eye clinic. We're heading home now. Oh, not heading home. We're going to Walmart. Uwian na talaga eh. Hapon na eh. Uwian. Sana magano pa ng 2,000 no? Sa ito, casino.
Sino bang hindi nag-asang na manalo?
Doctor, how's my eyes? Oh, it's good. Sabi niya, it's clear. Okay, Broadway tayo, mami. Can you check? I need your eyes. Tignan mo yun. Ano yung sarapan din?
Port Avenue.
Okay. Broadway tayo, ha? Kailangan ko, hindi ko nakikita yan. Basta ako, focus lang ako sa harapan. I cannot see ahead of me. Ano sabi ko lang sa'yo?
Ito naman kay makeup. Naked pero
Let's see ahead of me because my eyes was dilated by Dr. Wong. He's an ophthalmologist in VA clinics, Chula Vista. Okay, here, what's next here? I think I can see the mall now ahead of me. This is Kaiser. Scripts. This is the mall, no? Okay. What about this? What's that?
Fifth.
Fifth. Okay, not that one. We're going to
Pero hindi pa nakikita.
You cannot see that yet. There, look at that. Is that Broadway?
Yeah.
Okay, turn right at Broadway. See? Simple as that, eh?
Yung Walmart sa atin. Hindi ba parang malapit na rin yung sa atin? Ay, okay. So yun ang Chula Vista, yung doon Highland.
We are now in Broadway going to Walmart.
ako dyan sa Mundiaan, may Chula Vista. Wala pa rin. Vanessa.
Open everyday breakfast, menudo, crepes. What's that name? Antonio's Mexican food, okay. Po, Cadao and Grill.
Kusina Mexicana.
Ano yan? Po, Cadao and Grill. Po, Cadao.
Sa Miramesa may ganyan.
Next year, the doctor said, I have to see you next year. Sabi niya, continue your exercise, watch your diet. Yes, doctor. Yes, doctor.
Umakyat ka ba? Hindi. Kasi parang mataas itong side.
Okay, we just arrived Walmart at Chula Vista.